Hi guys, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to make a PDF unsearchable using PDF.co request tester. Let's start. On your PDF.co dashboard, click Request Tester. On the Request Tester page, search and select Make Unsearchable PDF. Let's take a look at the sample PDF that we'll be using this tutorial. As you can see, we can still highlight the texts inside this PDF. This means the PDF is still searchable and we're going to make it into unsearchable. We're going to run the request now. By the way, you may override the URL for the source PDF with your own. You may also attach the file directly. Here's the temporary output link where you can view and download the output PDF. Here's what the unsearchable PDF looks like. The text can no longer be highlighted. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.